Mitsubishi Lancer EX 1.6 automatic transmission. So yung intake niya naka-loop, no? Tapos naka-headers na 4.1. Then naka full exhaust na walang resonator, boss, no? Walang resonator, tsaka wala na ring catalytic. So gawa nila muffler lang from sa QC pa. So yun, i-run natin to, check natin yung fuel kung ilan. Naka single exit lang. Check natin kung ilang baseline at saka yung horsepower after tune. So 91 octane lang yung lalagay natin. Sisin lang yung carga ni sir. So our final output for the Lancer EX 1.6 automatic transmission from 95 wheel horsepower to 101 wheel horsepower and 137 to 145 Newton meters of wheel torque. So 91 octane lang, tapos yan, naka-intake, full exhaust, headers na 4.1.